ये कहानी जो है ये प्यार के बारे में है और इस प्यार जब गहरा प्यार हो तो सर चढ़ के बोलता है और जब प्यार के साथ दिल टूटता भी है कुछ लोगों का और जब दिल टूटेगा तो फितूर तो चढ़ेगा ही।
कच्ची हवा कच्चा धुआं गुल रहा कच्चा सा दिल लम्हे नए चुन रहा।
Fitur, what Abhishek is exploring is the complicated side of love, the complex side of love. We all know how beautiful love can be and how wonderful it can be. But I think in this film we go a little bit more into the parts of love that we all don't understand and are very hard to explain.
I'm playing a Kashmiri, simple boy, maybe lower middle class, that falls in love when he's young. And he's an artist and he's obsessed with this girl and he grows up being obsessed with this girl and he doesn't have her. So maybe his art is an outlet for his love and his obsession for her. Maybe he would lose his mind if he didn't have that being an artist, to kind of let that all go. But yeah, that's all I can tell you so far. मैं गिटार भी प्ले करता हूँ, मैं गाने लिखता हूँ, but I haven't done anything much with it. Maybe I should do something. Gattu keeps telling me to write songs and come out with an album. उसके अलावा मैं क्रिकेट भी खेलता हूँ. I feel that if I didn't become an actor and I took it seriously, I might have been playing for India today. This is my feeling. Yeah, for me, I was really excited to be able to do a dance song with Katrina Kaif. I was excited for that reason to start off with. Apart from that, it was daunting because it's a different kind of dance form for her as well. It was a different dance form for Bosco, who's choreographed I think 480 songs in his career so far. But that was also the challenge, and that was what was exciting about it. And I think it goes with the look and feel and fabric of what our film is. It's not too far removed from that. But having said that, we didn't have too much time. We had 2-3 days to choreograph it. And I haven't done that many songs. So I was like, yeah, we'll do it. Katrina was like, no, we need 10 days to do this well. But maybe ignorance is bliss. And she, to be fair to her, she really kind of helped me through because she has so much experience when it comes to shooting songs that she helped me. Thank you. You can.
पश्मीना धागों के संग कोई आज बुने ख्वाब ऐसे कैसे